चलो उठाओ अपना बोरिया बिस्तरा। हेलो, नमस्ते, सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल, केम छो? एंड वेलकम टू वो What am I saying? Snapdeal presents Big Boss Season 8. It's that time of the year again. Come September, come Big Boss, come Salman Khan. विमान देखकर कोई लोगों ने पूछा कि प्लेन का क्या चक्कर है? What is this plane का चक्कर? I said it's very plain and simple, man. Is it क्या बिग बॉस के बाहर अब्रॉड में शूट होने वाला है? आंसर है हाँ। हमारे पास इस बार कलर्स के पास इतना बजट है कि हम फॉरेन में जाएंगे और इंडोर शूटिंग करेंगे। वी विल ट्रीट फॉरेन एज लोनावला। और इन लोगों ने मां की कसम खाई है। एक और सवाल पूछा गया है कि सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स फॉरेनर्स हैं, तो मैंने बोला कि हाँ, 2-3 को तो मैं ही जानता हूं। सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स फॉरेनर्स होंगे यार। यू नो व्हाई वी वांट सब फॉरेनर कंटेस्टेंट्स? क्योंकि कोई हिंदी ना बोले और फिर हमारे जो ऑडियंस है, व्यूअर्स हैं, सब कंफ्यूज हो जाएं और उनको समझ नहीं आए कि सांस कहां से ले। और तीसरा प्रश्न ये कि मैंने ये वर्दी क्यों पहनी पायलट की? क्योंकि इन माय लाइफ मैंने कभी टीवी के लिए कभी पायलट एपिसोड नहीं किया। सो आई थॉट कि ये यहाँ पर पायलट एपिसोड कर लेता हूँ। आपको सुनना चाहते हैं सबके सब?
नहीं, मैं सबको वेलकम करना चाहता हूँ। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कमिंग। यू ऑलवेज बीन वेरी काइंड टू अस। बिग बॉस इज वन ऑफ द biggest show for colors.
Okay, so it's over to the press now, and we're open for questions. If you guys want to sit down, are you good standing?
क्या पूछना चाहेंगे अभी आप?
Coming to the Big Boss, इस बार we are seeing it this time. It's something very big और different भी है। आप अपने लफ्ज़ों में किस तरह बयान करोगे इस बार का Big Boss season 8?
Yeah, Big Boss does not depend on me. Big Boss depends on Endemol and colors, and also the contestants that they choose to get into the house. The better the contestants, the funner the contestants, the more emotional, the angrier the contestants, the better the show and the better me. I come in on a Saturday and Sunday. Monday से लेके Friday तक घर में जो होता है उसके बलबूते के ऊपर हम लोग Saturday and Sunday का एपिसोड करते हैं. So that Monday से लेके Friday तक का should be entertaining, and that only depends on the contestants and who they get inside this time. The last time they did a great job. I'm sure this time also is going to be as good or better. Has to be better.
I want to know, why did you have a change of heart? You had mentioned on Twitter that you won't be hosting season 8. What made you have a change of heart?
About 15-20 different things. One, I was doing nothing.
Hard to believe.
Beautiful Sheetal and Manisha. I worked with them in Das Ka Dam earlier. So we were in Sony. From Sony, we've come to Colors.
Would you try and make peace with the
Then
photographers?
there's Raj sir. He's an incredible person. Him, it's a long association of 4 years. Chal raha hai, chalne do, acha hai. And
Let me tell you, nobody else can do this show but Salman Khan. So
I think
we were very clear.
I think
we were very clear that if we do Big Boss, it will be with Salman Khan.
I agree with you, Raj sir.
राज सर, मनीष इंडिया टीवी से। सर, जैसा कि आपने कहा कि ये शो सलमान के अलावा कोई कर भी नहीं सकता, लेकिन सलमान सर ने पिछली बार कहा था कि सिर्फ एक दिन की वजह से उनका बाकी के 6 दिन खराब हो जाते।
क्या बोला आपने?
सलमान सर ने सीजन होस्ट करते समय भी कहा था
अब
कि
हो गई मांडुली हो गई, अब क्या को तुम प्राइस कैसे बढ़ाते हैं?
सर सलमान तो इस बार 6 दिन खराब होने से बचाने के लिए कोई आइडिया इस बार है आपके पास?
देखो हाँ की कोई कीमत नहीं होती, कीमत ना की होती है. No, but seriously, this show takes a lot out of me. You know, you guys watch this show every day if you watch it once. I have to watch the 9 o'clock episode and the 12 baje ka episode. And I do a lot of things from 9 to 12. I work a lot. So, मेरा ये जो अंदर के जो contestants हैं, they take a lot of my time. And then on a Thursday, safe flight. On a Saturday morning, I have to watch all the episodes. And then problem उनका अंदर का है, everybody is gotten paid to do a show, and I'm sorting out their problems, their emotional problems and stuff like that. So I signed in to do a show. I didn't sign to take care of their own stresses and solve their problems. And most of them are still in touch with me. They don't feel that they've left the Big Boss house. I'm still sorting their shit out. I'm still their host. Okay, Salman bhai, wo jo dekh lena, Salman just see that. And you know what? I've worked with most of them.
Salman, what has Big Boss taught you? What are the lessons learned? What are the lessons learned in the last 5 years? And the contestants as well.
You know, it's so amazing that it teaches me something every day. Who are the contestants that go into Big Boss? Us. You get to know where our country is going. Even though you watch 24/7, the way you're behaving inside, this is the youth. This is our culture now. This is where we are heading. Now we have to just pray that it turns out right each year. It cannot nosedive. They're educated people, they're celebrities, they're from good families. We're showcasing India here. And it teaches me a lot, whether we are nosediving or we can afford to say, buck up India. Every time I see somebody behaving in a very noble manner, I feel that, that's amazing. To be in a house with no food, with people that you're not getting along, and there are no friends there, they are going to evict you, they're going to vote you out every single week. And to be cordial and to be nice and to be friends with them is an amazing quality on an empty stomach. And sometimes, very noble gestures come out of the Big Boss house. And each of the contestants that I have met, when they're evicted, each one has had tears in their eyes, no matter what the experience in the house was. They've all said, even later on, even if we had to pay millions of rupees to get this experience, we would never be able to get this experience ever. And then you see a harkat which is not cool, and at some point in time, that same situation is going to come in your life, and you would want to, not behave like that. My only concern with the people in the house is when they are giving you material in the house, when they're giving you content in the house, they're damn good for the show. But it is really bad for them when they come out of the house. Work in the house is damn good. Work out of the house dips down, because then nobody wants to work with somebody who's so over the top. Because they know that this show is not scripted. This is their own personalities. That is why I keep on telling each and every contestant कि ऐसा इतना करना कि जब बाहर आओ ना आपको ढेर सारा काम मिले. My only concern with people in the house is not in the house, is what happens to them when they come out of the house.
हेलो सलमान जी, लास्ट बिग बॉस के 7 सीजन में आपके ऊपर एक आरोप लगा था कि आप कुछ लोगों के लिए पक्षपात हो जाते हैं,
जी
जो
हाँ,
हाउसमेट्स थे.
लगा था.
तो इस सीजन में आप उसको कैसे बचाएंगे अपने आप को?
मुझे पता नहीं, लगा था.
हाँ,
लगा था.
ऐसा हम लोगों को लगा था देखकर.
अच्छा.
तो अभी इस सीजन में आप कैसे अपने आप को उससे बचाएंगे?
देखिए आप सिर्फ वो 1 घंटे का एपिसोड देखती हैं, मैं पूरा सीज़न देखता हूँ। अगर आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि जिसके ऊपर वो आरोप लगा था, वो पूरा के पूरा बिग बॉस घर उसके साथ हो गया था।
जी बिल्कुल हो गया था।
Good evening, sirs. Mr. Khan.
Good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
Thank
Long
you.
time,
Very
sir.
fine. Long time. So on a lighter side, do you think somebody would like to and would hijack the plane? And if done so, what ransom would he demand?
Sir,
Good
the only good thing here is me, sir. अभी तक तो
Salman, you just said that you are being paid for hosting a show and not sorting out inside problems. But you still do that. So what kind of Salman we are going to see this
Great guy.
season? Are you going to be strict? Are you going to be practical?
I don't know. I can't decide that. No, I mean, till the time I don't know who the contestants are and what they are and how they're going to behave with each other inside the house. I can't take a stand on that. I can't, give you a prediction on that.
The best thing about the show is I met a woman, a lady actually, a friend of ours, who's got 2 daughters. She watches the show with the daughters and she gave me a different angle to it. She said, I watch it with my mother, who's 65 years old. I watch it with my daughters, who are 16 and 17-year-old. And she referred to this show as an education program on human psychology.
But it is that. I totally believe that, and that's the reason why I'm a part of this all the time. Even my mother, when she watches the show, कि Monday to Thursday, there's nothing happening. इसे क्या है बेटा, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है इस बार घर के अंदर. And as soon as something happens, अरे ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. अरे decide कर लो क्या चाहिए माँ, कि ठंडा चाहिए या गर्म चाहिए आपको.
Hello Salman and everyone. Hi, good evening. This is Sonika from oneindia.in. I just want to ask Salman कि हर साल बिग बॉस में नए कंटेस्टेंट आते हैं, उनकी इंटरेस्टिंग लाइफ होती है, लाइफस्टाइल होती है जो हम सब देखते हैं. तो कोई एक ऐसा शख्स जो आपके दिमाग में हो जिसको आप देखना चाहें बिग बॉस के घर में बंद करके, उसकी लाइफस्टाइल जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हो, जो आप देखना चाहें?
आई थिंक मेरे हिसाब से सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सन है संजय दत्त. उनको वहाँ से निकाल के यहाँ पे डालें तो इट बी द बेस्ट थिंग एवर. बट ये गारंटी ये है कि ही विल से कि नहीं भाई मुझे वापस से वहाँ पे डाल दो. This Big Boss house is a very difficult house to be in. It is a really, really difficult house to be in. As many.
राज सलमान ने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा, हाँ कुछ पूछ रही हूँ. राज सलमान ने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा कि अच्छे पैसे मिले उन्हें इस बार बिग बॉस करने के लिए. तो आपके पास मौका है, सलमान खुद कह रहे हैं, एक दिन के लिए क्यों नहीं आप सलमान को सुबह से लेकर शाम तक घर में रखते हैं, आपकी रेटिंग तो फ्लोट होने लगेगी.
2 दिन घर के बाहर हूँ, 1 दिन अंदर रखने से क्या फ़ायदा.
आप सुबह से शाम तक रियल सलमान खान देखने मिलेगा ना लोगों को.
बस जाता हूँ ना, मैं जाता हूँ घर के अंदर, विजिट मारता हूँ. जब विजिट मारता हूँ तो 3-4 घंटे के लिए होता हूँ. ये दो एपिसोड निकाल लेते हैं उसमें से.
नहीं निकाल लेते, पर जब सुबह सलमान नींद में से उठ के ब्रश करेंगे और रात को उनके सोने तक के शॉट्स दिखाए जाएंगे तो लोगों का इंटरेस्ट लेवल अलग होगा ना.
लोगों का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन आपका लग रहा है.